So in this section, I'm going to show you how to use the CBC module. So the first thing we do is the settings part. So we go to CBC, then strand settings. So from here, we'll select the class, and then we'll select the given subject. So, but before that, first and foremost, we have to specify which class is taking the CBC curriculum. So we go to settings, and then we select view classes. So from here, you'll be able to specify which class is taking CBC. So for example, like this PP2, so all we have to do is go to edit, and then here we select active update. Okay, so from here, settings, view classes, you'll be able to specify which class is taking the CBC curriculum. So from there also, still under settings, we have subjects. So here we'll be adding the CBC subjects. So for example, you can see we have added the various subjects. So like environmental, mathematics activities, language activities, creative arts, and so on. So that one, those subjects will be added under settings, add subjects. So we'll add the various subject names, the abbreviations, and so on. So here we add the subjects that the CBC classes will be taking. So after that, we go to now the CBC module, then we go to strand settings. So the first thing, we'll select a class. So from here you can see the various classes that are taking the CBC curriculum. So we select a class like that, and then we'll select the subject that we want now to add the various strands. So like select CRE, then click on add, and then we will add the various subject strands. So like for example, we have this strand here. Okay, so you'll add the various strands. If there are many, you just click on this button and add the various strands, and then once you've done that, we click submit. Okay, so after we have added the strands, you can view them from here. You can view all the strands that you have added on the various subjects. So you can see we have added this one for CRE activities. So this is our strand. So you can delete or edit depending on what details you want to change. So next we go to strand topics. So how to add a strand topic? So we'll select the class, select the given subject, so it's CRE, and then we'll choose from the strands. So we'll do that, and then we can click on this to add the various strand topics. So for example, we have this topic, so we can just add this. Then we can add another one, that, and then we can add another one. Okay, so you can add the various strand topics. If there are many, you just click on this and then you add, and then once you're done, now you click submit. So that's how you add the strand topics, and also this information can be edited under edit, so you'll be able to see all the subjects and their various strands and the topics. So we can see these are the topics. Okay, so after that we go to substrand settings. So from here we're going to add the substrands on the different topics. So how you do that, you select the class and then you'll choose the subject, select the strand and select a topic. So like this first topic, then we just click on this add button and then we will add the various substrands. So like if we select this, we'll add that as a substrand and have another one. Then let's also have another one, and the last one can be this. So that's how you add the various substrands. And then once you're done, you just click submit. So that way you'll have added the various substrands on a given topic. So also this, you can go to edit stroke view to delete or edit any information if you want to change any substrand or any substrand on a given topic. So you go to edit stroke delete and you'll be able to delete the various substrands under a given topic. Okay, so once you have done that, you've set up the strands, the topics and the substrands. Now you can record the marks. So how you record marks, you go to, so you select a class and then, so once you select a class, it will give you the names. And then you can select now a given substrand. So for example, let's select one that we have just added. So you can go to, so we have this one, so select this substrand, choose the term. So let's select maybe term 2, whichever, and then you just give out the score if it's depending on this score. So we have things like exceeding expectation, meets expectation, approaches expectations, and then below expectations. So we will give out the marks accordingly. So for example, let's just do this, and then when you're done, you click submit. So we can see these details have been recorded. Okay, so once you have, so you can do this for the various substrands. So this one was like for the CRE, so you can do the same with environmental, you can do the same with languages and so on. So that's how you give out the scores on the various substrands. So also if you go to edit stroke view, then you'll be able now to check on the various substrands. So you can specify if you want a given substrand, or you can just select, you can decide to view everything. So just choose the term, the year and the class, and then if I click on filter, it will give me all the scores for the various substrands of the various subjects. So we can see we have for listening here, CRE, that's God's creation. So these are the various substrands. And then now from here also you can edit or delete the various scores. So if I click on this edit, now I have the option of entering new marks. So I can't change any of these. So the only thing I can change is marks. So I can enter the new marks or the new score, and then I just click update. Okay. So basically that's how you can edit or view the various subjects, substrands that you have entered. So that falls under recording marks or editing marks, so it's the same. And then next we go to topic comments. So under topic comments, so for example, I'll choose the term, select the year, and then the class. So it will give me all the students in that particular class, and then I can select now the subjects, the topic in which I want to give out the comments. So if I do select that, listening for enjoyment, and then I'll just type in the various comments. So you'll type in, key in all the comments, so the teacher's comment, and then for all the students, and then once you've done that, you click submit. When you do that, if you go to edit here, you'll be able to check and see all the comments that you had added. So let me say like this, for example. So from here we can see the various comments also, and then which you can edit. So you just key in another one and then you click on this, so you can edit that way. And then so that's how we can edit the teacher's comments. Then we have the class teacher's comments. So that was under topic comments. Then we have class teacher's comment. So it's the same process. So you select the given term, choose the year, and then the class. So this class teacher's comment will appear in, so whatever the teacher writes here is what will appear in this student's report card. So what the teacher writes here, that's what will appear on the student report card. So that falls under class teacher's comment. So you just key in the comments, and then also you can view or edit the various comments. So if I go to edit and do that, so I'll be able to say all the teacher's comment under this place. Okay. So for example, let's add teacher's comment. So for this class, so we can say for, so you can write anything for the various students, and then so once you're done, you just click submit. So we can see we already have the various comments already. So okay, so once you've done that, then lastly we can go and check on the report cards now. So if I was to check a report card, for example, so I'll just key in search for a student, select the class, choose the term, so you will be able to see the report card, which looks something like this. So we can see we have the term, the class, student name, and then the score, So for this particular subject, for this substrand, this topic and this, for this strand, the topic and the substrand, so you'll see the score and then the topic comments. So you'll give the score and the topic comments. The score and the topic comments, then at the bottom we have teacher's comment. Then from this, now from here, these can be printed. So just click print and then you'll be able to print this report card for the various students. Okay. So that's how we generate report cards under the CBC module. So lastly, if we go to class report and we want to check the class report for a given class, so we can see this is the class report. So we have the admission number, the names, the various subjects. So these are the subjects, and then the score. So we have the various scores and everything. So from here you can also print this as the class report. So that's everything under the CBC module.